time has come to introduce you to a new chapter.
Way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
You're with me, baby, the sky will be blue. All my life, I can't see you, nobody but you. All my life, when you're with me, baby, the sky.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I? Ooh.
a dream come true. Sometimes it's easy, and sometimes it's hard to understand. One moment in time can change it all. Take yourself out of the blue. After the rain, the sun comes through. Don't look back, start something new, and all your dreams come true. Do you wanna fly away with me? To a place where you can live in harmony. Open up your heart to find the key to another world, a land called fantasy. Let me take you to an island made for you, a dream come true.
So, weil das ja so schön ist, machen wir gleich nochmal. Na klar.